A local museum showcasing the bright and colorful world of Oz in Wamego has made some changes recently. Bo Moritz, an Oz enthusiast with passion for costumes, especially appreciates the new display cases featuring Oz attire.
A lot of them were talking about like the costumes for like the Munchkins and all that, and I like making costumes a lot, as you can see, but I thought it was really awesome to see all that and how it was made.
For many Oz fans, you can follow the yellow brick road to the Oz Museum to see some cool artifacts from the movies, but none of that would be possible if it weren't for the funding they received for updates and renovations.
We try to get grants, whether they be federal or state grants, sometimes private funding, donations, those kind of things. Right now in the museum and theater field, it's very, very difficult to get grants.
When looking to do these major changes in construction, the museum relies on preservation and urban renewal grants, but as funding sources decrease, the museum faces greater difficulty in obtaining them.
When it becomes difficult to get that funding because of governmental cuts or whatever, it just makes it real difficult to accomplish what we want to.
That's why the museum is seeking support from individual donors and Oz fans to secure funding for future improvements.
It's important because like if they find new things and different more information, then they can update it and then people know more.
With 2 more phases to come, the Oz Museum continues applying for grants to stay on track with its renovation goals. In Manhattan, Addie Field, Channel 8 News.